Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risma Azzahra. I'm from Group 2, and in this video, I'll be doing a presentation of English Mathematics from the sixth meeting. So this is our team, and my job is to make a video learning. uh, make an explanation from the video learning. Vocabulary section. Angle. Angle. So angle in bahasa is sudut. So angles are formed when two rays intersect at a point. The opening between these two rays is called an angle, which is represented by the symbol 2. Angles are usually measured in degrees and are expressed as 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on. Protector. Protector. So protector in bahasa is busur derajat. So a protector is a tool that is used to measure and draw angles in geometry. A protector in a geometry box is in the shape of half this or semicircular, which can measure up to 180 degrees. Length. Length in bahasa is panjang. So length is defined as the measurement or extent of something from end to end. In other words, it is the larger of the two or the highest of three dimensions of geometrical shape or objects. Width. Width in bahasa is lebar, so the distance or length from side to side. Example, the width of this door is 80 centimeters. Distance. The distance of an object can be defined as the complete path traveled. For example, if a car travels east for 5 kilometers and takes turns to travel north for another 8 kilometers, the total distance traveled by car shall be 13 kilometers. Distance in bahasa is jarak. Percent. Percent. So percent is bahasa is percent. So a percent is a fraction that always has 100 as its denominator. But instead of writing the number over 100 every time, use the percent symbol. Percentage. Percentage in bahasa is persentase. Percentage, a relative value indicating 100 parts of any quantity, 1%, symbolize 1%, is a 100th part, thus 100% represents the entirety and 200% was twice the given quantity. Height. Height in bahasa is ketinggian. So height is a measure of a vertical distance, either vertical extent, how tall something or someone is, or vertical position, how high a point is. Base. Base in bahasa is alas. A base is a side of a polygon or a face of polyhedron, particularly one oriented perpendicular to the direction in which height is measured, or on what is considered to be the bottom of the figure. Height. Side. Side is sisi in bahasa. So the side of a shape can be defined as a line segment that joins the vertices to form the outline of a 2D or 3D shape. Next is video learning section. So we have this problem. I go to the fruit store today and they have a sale and everything is 30% off for guavas and it's only today. So I buy 6 guavas. When I go to the register and we're assuming no tax, though, for the 6 guavas, I get the 30% off and they charge me $12.60. I go home, and then my wife tells me to go get two more guavas tomorrow. So the next day I go and I want to buy two more guavas. But now the sale is off. How much are those two guavas going to cost me? So the solution is we know from the problem, and the day one is they have a 30% off sale, and six guavas cost me $12.60. So ask is two guavas on day two when the sale is off. So let X cost of six guavas was the full price. So X minus 0.3x equals to 12.60. So we have 1 in front of x, so those who can see it. So 1 minus 0.3 is what 0.6x, so equals to $12.60. So x is $12.60 over 0.7. So the x is $8. $18. So remember, as x is the cost of six guavas at the book price, then for each guavas, we divided $18 over six because we have it's for six, right? So for each guavas is $3. So at the full price, so six guavas, and then in the day two is $3 times two, so $6. So the price for two guavas is $6. Easy, isn't it? Let's move on. Let's move on to example section. Example two. An advertisement for toothpaste claims that 4 out of 5 dentists recommend a certain brand. A consumer group wanted to check the accuracy of this claim and survey 180 dentists. How many dentists would they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim is accurate? So the solution is the praise 5 out of 5. I'm sorry, 4 out of 5 indicates that the ratio of those who recommend to those who do not recommend that is 4 to 1. So let X number of those who do not recommend, and for X number of those who recommend. So 5X plus X equal to 180 because they survey at to 180 dentists, right? So 5X equals to 180, so X is 36. There would be 4 times 36 for X. This number those who recommend, so 144 dentists who recommend the brand, and there would be 36 who do not, based on this ratio is 4 to 1. Example 4. Jason is Chris' oldest cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 to 5. In 5 years, Chris' age will be 5 more than half of Jason's age. How old are the boys now? So we have two ways to solve this problem. The first one is actually a table. Uh, let me draw a table over here. First, I'm sorry for my drawing. Okay. Okay. So um we do this table as we take so we take any value. Uh, first, we just we just suppose that Chris' age is 5 and Jason's age is 9. So in 5 years, Chris would be 10. I'm sorry, this is a mistake. And Jason's would be 14. And so one half of Jason's age is 7. It's actually 7. And Chris' age is minus one half of Jason is so one half Chris' age. One half of Jason is so it's minus 3. There's no way to have minus 3 as an age, so this is wrong. Then we times their age by 2. So 10 and 18. So 5, 15 and 23. So 11 and one half and 3 and one half. And this is not in a correct way yet because 3 and one half is not their age. It's supposed to be, how do you say it in English? Bilang bulat. Integers. Because it is not integer, so we just times 3. So 15 and 27. So in 5 years, Chris' age will be 20 and Jason's will be 32 and one half of Jason is 16 and Chris' age is 4. So this is the most correct. This is the first way using a table. But we have another way using algebra. So let x to multiple and Chris' current age is 5x and Jason's current age is 9x. So the model is Chris' age plus 5 equals to one half Jason's age plus 5 plus 4. The substitution gives so 5x plus 5 equals to one half of 9x plus 5 plus 4. So 5x plus 5 is 4.5x plus 2.5 plus 4. So 5x plus 5 equals to 5.5x plus 6.5. So 5x minus 4. 4.5x is 0.5x. So equals to 6.5 minus 5. So equals to 100. Sorry, 1 and 1.5. So the x is 3. So Chris' age is 5x. So 5 times 3 equals to 15. And Jason's age is 9x. So 9x times 3 is 27. So to check, in 5 years, their age would be 20 and 32. So specifically to 20 equals to one half times 32 and plus 4. So 20. So 20 equals to 20. Correct. Let me go back to the question. Where is it? Okay, so how old are the boys now? So, where are you? So, Chris' age now is 15 and Jason's age is 27. That's true. 20 and 32. Oh, no. Their age now is 20 and 32. Because Chris' age is plus 5 and Jason's age plus 5, so 20 and 32. Next, example 6. Carol's candy stand sells a popular mixture of her candies, which sells for $2.60 per pound and $1 and 95 per pound. So the ratio of the expensive candy to the cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 to 5. If Carol sold her entire supply of the mixed candy during the coming month, she would have revenue of, wow, how it's much, $928.20, which would be the same as if she sold each candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and at what price does she sell it for? So, for the solution to this problem, we have the model is number of pounds of expensive candy times $2.70 number. A pound of cheaper candy times $1.95 equals to $928.20. So using algebra, let x equals to the multiple. Number of pounds of expensive candy is 3x, and number of pounds of cheaper candy is 5x. So the total number of pounds sold is 3x plus 5x, so 8x. Because we have this ratio, right? 3 to 5, so 3x, 5x, and 8x in total. So the solution is, the model gives us this equation, so 3x times 2.70, 3x times 2.70 times 5x times 1.95 equals to 928.20. So as you can see in the screen, so x is 52. So therefore, 5x or 5 times 52 equals to 416 pounds of the mixture is in supply and sells for the total revenue 928 times 20 over 416. So we got $2.23 per pound. Note that this is the same price as when 8 pounds is sold. This would be the price for any amount sold, since we are maintaining the same ratio in all quantity. So that's it. So how many pounds of candy does she have is in supply is 416 pounds, and at and she sell it for $2.23 per pound. So let's move on to example 7. Among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert that are 2 1/2 cups of regular sugar and a cup of brown sugar, The directions indicate that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? So the solution is the model of the problem is therefore A. The amount of regular sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. And B, the amount of brown sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. So from that, using A, we can assign a variable and proceed algebraically. Therefore, let X be the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. So the model gives us the equation. So 2 and 1/2 over 8 equals to X over 12. So cross multiplying, we have 8X and 30. And X equals to 30 over 8 equals to 3 and 3/4 cup of regular sugar. Using B, we can solve in a similar fashion. So let Y be the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. So 1/4 over 8 equals to Y over 12. So cross multiplying is the same as before. So we have 4Y and 3. So 1/4 times 12 is 3. So 4Y equals to 3. And Y is 3 over 8 cup of brown sugar. So we have to check this answer. So one way to check the problem is to see if the radio of the original amount to the new amount is the same as 12 to 8 or 3 over 2 for regular sugar. So as you can see on the screen, so we just do this equation over here. Take a look at it. So in the final result, we have the 30 over 20, so it goes to 3 over 2, true? Or, yeah, it is true to the ratio. So for brown sugar and, yeah, this, so, so we have 12 and over 8 over here, or equals to 3 over 2, so this is correct. This is just for check, and it is proved that it is true. So thank you for your attention. I'm so sorry for all the mistakes I've done. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.